flowers on the surface of the water. Let's put one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! Look at these magical flowers. They are blooming. This phenomena is called capillary action. This means when we drop the flower petals on the surface of the water, then the fiber inside the paper flower absorbs the water and then expands. That's making the paper folded flowers bloom like the real ones that we see. See you in my next video for another amazing experiment. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe.